Struggling to get your Pipedrive deal data into Excel? In 2 minutes, you will export any deal as a clean XLSX file. I will show you exactly where to click, from opening the deal to finding the export option and downloading your file. So let us get started. First, log into your Pipedrive account. You want to be on that main dashboard where you can see all your sales activity. Once you're inside, go ahead and navigate to the Deals section. You'll find it on the left sidebar. Just click on Deals, and it will bring up your full list. Now click on the specific deal you want to export. This could be any deal you are currently working on or one you need to share with a team member. Let the deal details page fully load. You need to see all the information and options before you take the next step. And here is the really important part. Look in the top right corner of the deal view. You will see a small icon with 3 dots. That is the 3-dot menu. Click on that 3-dot menu to reveal the drop-down actions. Take a moment to see what is available in this list. There are a lot of useful deal actions here, but we are looking for one specific thing. Scroll down through the options until you find Export as XLSX. This is the export option that gives you a clean file ready for analysis or sharing. Click Export as XLSX to start the process. Pipedrive will now generate the file. This may take a few seconds, especially if the deal has a lot of activities or notes attached. Just be patient while it processes. Now, if your browser prompts you with a download confirmation, go ahead and allow it. This is just your browser asking for permission to save the file. Once the download finishes, navigate to your computer's Downloads folder. This is usually where your browser saves all downloaded files by default. Find the file. It will likely be named after the deal, or it might include a timestamp. It should have the XLSX extension at the end. Double-click the file to open it in Microsoft Excel, or whichever spreadsheet application you prefer. Google Sheets works well too, or even Apple Numbers if that is what you use. Take a moment to review the exported data. Check that all the deal fields appear correctly. You should see things like the deal title, value, stage, owner, and any custom fields you have set up. In my experience, Pipedrive does a really good job of preserving the data structure, but it is always worth a quick scan to make sure nothing got lost during the export. And that is it. You now have a downloadable XLSX file ready for analysis or sharing. Whether you need to run reports, share pipeline updates with stakeholders, or just work on your deals offline, the data is right there in a clean spreadsheet format.